Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into some super budget-friendly ways to transform your home into an organized paradise without spending big bucks. If you're like me and love a good hack, especially one that doesn't break the bank, you're in for a treat. We'll be using simple everyday items from the dollar store to give your bathroom, pantry, closet, and more a fresh look that's both functional and stylish. Let's jump in. 1. The bathroom caddy makeover. Let's start with the bathroom, a place that tends to get cluttered so fast, especially with all those small essentials. To keep it organized, grab a wire caddy or small basket from the dollar store. Although these are typically meant for kitchen utensils or office supplies, they're perfect for a stylish bathroom repurpose. Use the caddy to store your toothbrushes, toothpaste, skincare products, and other daily essentials. It keeps everything neatly in one spot, preventing countertop chaos and making it easy to wipe down the sink without moving everything. For a personalized touch, paint it to match your bathroom's color scheme, instant style and organization. 2. Magnetic Beauty Organizer. If your makeup is always scattered, this hack will save you both time and sanity while adding a touch of creativity to your space. Head to the dollar store and grab a small metal baking sheet along with some adhesive magnets. Simply attach the magnets to the backs of your beauty products, like compact powders, eyeshadow palettes, and even small bottles. Then stick them onto the baking sheet, creating a functional display. Hang it on the wall or inside a cabinet door, and you'll have a chic, organized setup that makes finding what you need a breeze, especially when you're in a rush. 3. Tiered tray for small essentials. Next, let's create a DIY tiered tray to organize those small, easy-to-lose items like cotton swabs, hair ties, jewelry, and even skincare samples. All you need are 2 small plates and a candle holder from the dollar store. Glue the candle holder between the plates to create a multi-level organizer that looks chic and expensive. This little tray not only adds height and dimension to your counter space, but also keeps those essentials neatly arranged and within reach. It's the perfect combination of style and practicality, adding a touch of elegance while keeping clutter off your counter. 4. Pantry perfection with clear containers. Let's move to the pantry, which can quickly become a chaotic snack explosion with bags and boxes everywhere. Here's a simple hack to give it a neat designer look without the hefty price tag. Head to the dollar store and pick up clear containers or jars, perfect for storing dry goods like pasta, rice, flour, and cereal. Transfer your dry goods into these containers, then label each one for a polished, organized appearance. Not only does this setup look visually appealing and clean, but it also makes it easy to see what you have and what needs restocking at a glance. This hack brings style and order to any pantry. 5. Clip-on storage for snacks. Still in the pantry, let's tackle snack storage with a simple yet effective solution. Grab some chip clips or binder clips from the dollar store and attach them to a wire rack or directly onto the pantry shelving. Clip your snack bags onto these, keeping them off the shelves and freeing up valuable storage space. This clever hack doesn't just look neat, it also allows you to see all your snack options at a glance, making it easier to grab what you want without rummaging. It's a practical, visually appealing setup that brings order to the snack chaos, adding both convenience and style. 6. Closet shelf dividers. Closet organization can truly be a game changer, transforming a chaotic space into a tidy, functional area. Head to the dollar store and pick up some wire shelf dividers. Though typically designed for kitchen shelves, they work wonders in a closet. Use them to separate and organize stacks of sweaters, jeans, or purses, creating dedicated sections for each category. These dividers prevent the dreaded pile collapse that happens when you're in a rush, keeping everything in place. With items neatly stacked and easy to grab, your closet will instantly look tidier and more accessible, making outfit selection a breeze every morning. 7. Hanging scarf and belt organizer. For those accessories that never seem to have a home, here's a quick and clever fix. Pick up a pack of shower curtain rings from the dollar store and attach each ring to a sturdy hanger. Then, loop your scarves, belts, or even chunky jewelry through each ring. This setup keeps your accessories tangle-free, easily visible, and super easy to grab when you're in a hurry. Hanging them up also saves precious drawer space for other items that need to be stored flat. It's a simple hack that brings order to your accessories while keeping them stylishly displayed and accessible. 8. Kitchen drawer dividers. Let's shift over to the kitchen, where drawers so often end up as catch-alls for random items. Dollar stores typically carry affordable plastic drawer dividers, or trays, perfect for turning chaotic spaces into organized sections. Use these to separate utensils, spatulas, and other kitchen tools, ensuring that everything has its own spot. If you're feeling crafty, glue trays together to create custom compartments tailored to your needs. This simple setup stops your drawers from becoming a disorganized mess, saving you from endlessly digging around and keeping everything right where you need it, making cooking and cleaning up so much easier. 9. DIY lazy. Susan for spices. If you're constantly digging around for spices, this hack will be a game changer. All you need are 2 round trays and some marbles, both of which you can find at the dollar store. Place the marbles between the trays, allowing the top tray to spin smoothly. Load it up with your spice jars, creating a DIY lazy Susan that makes finding the right seasoning a breeze. No more knocking over bottles or fumbling through the back of the cabinet. This easy, budget-friendly setup brings a touch of organization magic to your kitchen, keeping your spices accessible, tidy, and beautifully displayed. The 10th Entryway Mail Organizer. The Entryway is often a catch-all drop zone for keys, mail, and other everyday essentials, quickly becoming cluttered and messy. To keep it organized, grab a wire file holder or a small bin from the dollar store. Mount it near the door, creating a designated spot for incoming mail, keys, sunglasses, and other small items you need as you come and go. For an extra level of organization, label the sections, one for mail, another for keys, and maybe one for items to grab on your way out. This setup keeps your counters clear and ensures everything has its own place, making life a little easier and more organized. 11th. Under the sink storage for cleaning supplies. Under the sink often becomes a cluttered dumping ground for cleaning supplies and random items, but keeping it neat can be easier than you think. A simple and effective solution is to install a tension rod. Yes, the same kind you'd use for a curtain. Secure it across the cabinet space and hang spray bottles by their triggers on the rod. This clever setup frees up valuable shelf space below, giving you more room for other cleaning essentials like sponges, cloths, and smaller bottles. It's a fantastic, affordable hack that keeps everything organized, visible, and easily accessible, making your cleaning routine smoother. 12th. Shoe rack for cleaning supplies. Here's one more under-the-sink hack that works wonders. Grab a dollar store shoe rack with multiple compartments. Hang it over the cabinet door or secure it against the back wall. Each pocket provides the perfect spot for storing sponges, brushes, gloves, and other cleaning essentials. This affordable hack keeps everything organized and within easy reach, and it prevents spills and leaks from spreading onto your cabinet floor. Plus, with clear pockets, you can see exactly what you need at a glance, making cleaning tasks a breeze. And for a bonus tip, let's talk about adding a bit of green to your home, on a budget of course. Dollar stores often have small pots and macrame cord. Tie a few knots to create a DIY hanging planter and place it in your living room or kitchen window. Plants make any space feel fresh, and these DIY hangers are a chic, inexpensive way to display them. And there you have it, 12 dollar store hacks to organize your home on a budget and make it look amazing. From the bathroom to the kitchen and even the closet, these ideas are super easy, stylish, and affordable. So grab a shopping list and head to your local dollar store because these hacks will transform your space without emptying your wallet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more budget-friendly home tips. Let us know in the comments which hack you're excited to try, or share any other dollar store gems you found for organizing your home. Until next time, happy organizing!